Did you know that studies show self-hypnosis can be up to 80% effective in reducing anxiety and stress? Crazy, right? Have you ever wondered how you can unlock your mind's potential and tap into that power? Well, stick around, because today we're diving into how you can hypnotize yourself in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about self-hypnosis and why it's becoming super popular this year. With everything from personal development to relaxation on the line, many people are discovering just how powerful self-hypnosis can be. So, if you've ever been curious about it or want to learn some easy techniques to get started, you're in the right place. Now let's be real for a moment. When it comes to self-hypnosis, a lot of beginners face some common hurdles. First off, there's a ton of misinformation out there. People often think that hypnosis is some kind of magic trick or that you have to be a professional to do it. That couldn't be further from the truth. Another challenge is fear. Many folks worry they won't be able to hypnotize themselves or that they'll get stuck in a trance. And of course, there's the lack of knowledge. If you don't know where to start, it can be really overwhelming. But don't worry, we're going to break it all down so you can feel confident in your self-hypnosis journey. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Here are some easy techniques for beginners that you can start using today. First up, visualization. This is all about creating a mental image that helps you relax. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and picture a serene place like a beach or a forest. Focus on the details, the sound of the waves, the smell of the trees. Really immerse yourself in that scene. Next, we have breathing exercises. Deep breathing is a game changer. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times. It's amazing how just a few deep breaths can help calm your mind and body, prepping you for hypnosis. Lastly, let's talk about positive affirmations. These are simple statements that you can repeat to yourself to build confidence and promote positive change. For example, you might say, "I am relaxed and in control." Try saying this out loud while you're in your relaxed state, and let those positive vibes wash over you. Now, let's highlight a key technique that you can actually follow along with right now. Here's a simple self-hypnosis script you can use. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Now, as you breathe out, imagine all your stress and tension leaving your body. As you continue to breathe deeply, count down from 10 to 1. With each number, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. 10, 9, 8, feeling more and more relaxed. 7, 6, 5, deeper still. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, in this relaxed state, repeat your positive affirmation, "I am calm, I am in control." Stay in this peaceful state for a few moments, just enjoying the calmness. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room and open your eyes. How easy was that? So, to wrap things up, today we covered some really effective techniques for self-hypnosis, including visualization, breathing exercises, and positive affirmations. Remember, the more you practice these techniques, the more benefits you'll experience. Regular practice can lead to improved mental well-being, reduced stress, and a greater sense of control over your life. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried self-hypnosis before? What techniques did you find helpful? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to dive even deeper, check out my next video on advanced self-hypnosis techniques. It's going to be a game changer. Thanks for watching, and happy hypnoing.